Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18. Firstly, you need a Mac or Windows PC, the latest version of Finder or Apple Devices app, a USB to Lightning or USB-C cable, and a stable internet connection. Firstly, plug your iPhone or iPad into your Mac or PC via USB. Open Finder or Apple Devices app, then select your device if it appears in the sidebar. For iPhones with Face ID, press and release the volume app. Press and release the volume down, then press and hold the slide button. Keep holding even after you see the Apple logo. Release only when the screen shows a cable pointing to a computer. You'll see a message, there is a problem with the iPhone or iPad that requires it to be updated or restored. Just click Restore, then click Restore and Update. Your computer will now download the iOS 18.5 firmware, extract the file, restore and update your iPhone to iOS 18, verify, and then no further action is needed during this process. Once the restore finishes, your iPhone or iPad will restart with iOS 18 installed. You can set it up as a new or restore from a backup made on iOS 18. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.